Hi, in this video we'll start looking through words or ቃላት in Tigrigna. In this video we will cover 4 ፊደላት or alphabets he, le, he, me. So let's start. As we've seen in the previous videos, this is he, who, he, ha, he, ho. He, helmet. Who, hurud. He, gwahi. Ha, hadanai. He, hewan. Hu, huwa. Ho, hosana. As you can see here, helmet is helmet, as you can see in the picture. Hurud is a turmeric. Gwahi, grief or feeling grief. Hadanai is hunter. Hewan, Eve. Huwa, space. And Hosana is this kind of plant. It's a palm. Now, I want to show you of how we can write these things here. First of all, let's quickly write he, hu, he, ha, he, hu, ho. He, hu, he, ha, he, hu, ho. So here we've said helmet. How we write it? Okay. So he, l, me, t. Because we have seen all these alphabets. So helmet, helmet. Okay. Second one is hurud. Hu, ru, d. Okay. Hu, ru, d. Gua. This is gua. We didn't see that, but it's related with ge, gu, gi, ga, ge, go. Gua, he. So I want you to look at the he. He, hu, he. Gwahi means grief. Adanai, ha, da, you know the do. Ha, da, na, ye. Okay? So, ha, da, na, nenunina, ye. Adanai. Adanai means hunter. And hewan, he, wa, ne. Hewan, Eve, huwa, hu, wa. Huwa means space. Hu, wa. Hosana, ho, sa, na. These are the words that we have that we've seen here in he, hu, he, ha, he, hu, ho. So just go there and I want you to understand what helmet actually is an English word. Same here. Hurud, gwahi, hadana, hewan, huwa, hosana. I want you to go back and forth and learn these words and the way we write them properly, like I've shown you here, and they are here as well. So please be in a situation to be able to write. If someone asks you, can you write me hadanai, for example, you should be able to write it quickly and without any problem. Right. The second one, the second group that we'll be looking at is le, lu, li, la, le, li, lo. Okay. So le mean lu, lul, li, li, lo, la lam, le leka leka, li libi, lo velo. Le lemon, lemon is like lemon. As you can see here is a lemon, lemon. Lul lul is a pearl, lul. Li lilo is a hawk, it's an animal, it's a bird. La lamb, lamb, cow. Okay, don't confuse this with lamb. You know, it's a kind of sheep that we know of, lamb, but that's in English. This lamb is a cow, it's a cow, okay? So cow is lamb. Leka leka is lollipop, lilibi, heart, and lo velo, any veil. So this is the things that we can think of words here. You can come up with other words as well, but for you, just these are the words that I came up to practice. Now, so let's say let me write lelu. I told you in the previous videos there is different ways of writing le. The easiest way is like small letter H. So like this, le. Some people write it like this. I told you that. So le, lu, li, la, le, li, lo. Nice. So let's go back to the words lemon. Lemon is lemon, right? Le, mi, n. We know all these alphabets. Le, mi, n. Lul, lu, le, lu, le, lul. It's a pearl. Okay, this is a pearl. Lilo is a hawk. Li, li, lo. They are from the same family. Lelu, lila, lelilo, lilo. Lilo is a hawk. And la lam, la, n, lam. Lam is a cow. Leka leka, le, leka, leka, leka leka. It's a lollipop. Okay, leka, leka, leka. Lilibi, it's a heart. Li, bi, libi. And velo, ve, like be, velo, lo. Okay, so lele mean lulul, lililo, la lam, le, leka leka, lilibi, lo, velo. Perfect. So to practice this as well. The next group is he, not he. He, hu, he, ha, he, he, ho. He, farahe, hu, huza, he, marahi, ha, hawi, he, metzhet, he, himbasha, ho, fulho. Farhe means scared. Farahe. It's a past form of get scared. So mufrah is to feel scared, but farahe got scared. Hu, husa is a sand, and he, marahi, a leader. Ha, hawi is a fire. He, mazhet is magazine. He, himbasha is a kind of bread, like you see here in our traditional bread. We have himbasha. Ho, fulho is kind of ants, which looks like brownish citronella ants, they call them. So ho, fulho. Now let's write he, hu, he, ha, he, ho first. He is like te, and then add this one. It reads he, right? So yeah, hu, he, ha, he, ho. You should be able to write this because we've covered these alphabets in detail in the previous videos. So what are the words? He, farahe, right? Farahe. Fe, re, he. He. See the he here? Farahe. Hu, hutsa. Hu, hu, hu. Tsa, tsa, right? Remember tsa, tsa. And then marahi, he, marahi, merahi. He is a leader. Okay, let's make this shorter. Perfect. Okay. Ha-we is a fire. Ha-we. Where will we? We. Ha-we is a fire. Hem is head. Me. Tz. He. He. T is a magazine. Okay. That's it. And then hambasha. Hambasha is a bread. Hambasha. It's a kind of bread that we prepare, and it's well decorated. See these decorations that we see here. Hambasha. Ho, full ho. F, l, ho. Perfect. So yeah, he, farahe, hu, hutsa, he, marahi, ha, hawi, he, matzhet, he, hambasha, ho, full ho. So do practice this as well. Next, we have group me, mu, mi, ma, me, mi, mo. Me, መጽሐፍ, mu, ሙዚቃ, mi, ሚዛን, ma, ማይ, me, metro, mi, ምሳሕ, mo, motor. Me, መጽሐፍ is a book. Mu, ሙዚቃ is music. Mi, ሚዛን is a balance, like this one. Ma is water. Me, metro is any measurement. It's a unit that we use, or the tool itself. Mi, ምሳሕ is lunch. And mo, motor is any motor. So yeah, let's read. Write the words. First of all, I want you to practice writing me, mu, mi, ma, me, mi, mo as this. Me. Okay. Let me write it again. Me, mu, mi, ma, me, mi, mo. Should be able to write this without any hesitation, okay? So how about the words like me, መጽሐፍ? Let's write it. Me, ፅ, ha, f, መጽሐፍ. It's a book. Mu, ሙዚቃ, mu, zi-ka. Ka, muzika. Mi, mizan. Mi, za, ne, mizan. Ma, mai. Mai is water. Ma, ye, yu, ya, ye, mai. Me, metro. Me, t, ro. Metro. Any measurement or meter. Me, ምሳሕ, me, sa, ምሳሕ, he, ho, he, ha, he, ምሳሕ means lunch. Mo, motor. motor. So these are the words that I try to show you here so that you can practice, but you can feel free to come up with other words that have me, mu, mi, ma, me, mi, mo in them, okay? Next. So having seen hele, he, me here, I want you to, juggle, go around and be able to write words and also learn what that word means, okay? So for example here, this is he, le, what's this? Me. He, le, me, hilmi. See here, hilmi, it means dream. Hilmi means dream. About this, ma, hi, la, mahla. Mahla means out. Next, ma, l, mal. Mal means any resources that you have. Any could be money, it could be cattle, it could be any other virtues. So mal. Ha, mu, hamu. Hamu is father-in-law. Le, m, le, n. Lem. Lem could be a name of a female, or it could be anything that is green scenery or that is green. When it rains, for example, we see grasses, all these things, or plants, for example. So if you see that kind of attributes in front of you, you would say lem. And it's also a name. We have a name by the name lem. Luh. Luh means wood. Luh means weak. So guys, so we try to cover hele, heme, and we try to extract or compose words out of this hele, heme, and their trail in alphabets. I want you to practice this again and again. You will be very comfortable in the way we write it, and the words themselves we have to practice again and again to understand what it means. Thank you.